Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the tulip bunch. Today, creating a faux garden rose. You can do it with any color rose. You need to have it open, let it bloom out a bit, then simply reach in and pull out those center petals, getting them totally removed until you get down to the center. And it shows you the beautiful bloom. You can see the toffee rose, the Moab, reflexed and pulled out. Totally different look. And then even the staple, the Freedom Rose, pull the center out, gives you a totally updated look. Now you know how the pros do it.